How to turn off voice to text on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn off voice to text on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off voice to text on iPhone, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the settings app here, and once you launch the setting app, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is just go into general. Once you come to general, you're gonna land on this page where again what you have to do is just go to the option known as keyboard and then make sure to tap on it. And as you tap on the keyboard option over here, you should be able to scroll down and you'll find the option here known as dictation. Now this dictation, what it does is that if it is turned on, whatever you say is actually going to be transcribed into a text so that you can send it to the other person very easily. So all you have to do is just turn off dictation like this and then turn it off, and then voice to text will get successfully disabled. This way you can turn off voice to text on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.